Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the Save Me feature on the Flip Diving game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Flip Diving game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the game menu, from which you can directly start enjoying your game. Now if you wish to log into your account first, then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the joystick icon, within which you will find the option to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will resume game from your previous achievements. Now in order to turn off the Save Me feature, tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner, and now you will see the Save Me option. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will turn it off. Now when you go back into the game and start playing it, the Save Me feature will not appear anymore. If you want to turn this back on, you can go back into the settings menu and once again tap on the Save Me option to turn it back on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off the Save Me feature within the Flip Diving game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.